Welcome to Zegal, your one-stop solution for legal documents. In this video, we'll show you how to quickly create and sign an NDA. First, sign up for an account with Zegal. Then search for the template you need. Build your document by answering a few simple questions specific to your requirements. The Zegal app makes it easy to customize the NDA to fit your precise legal needs. Our NDA template accommodates multiple signers, ensuring professional confidentiality and legal compliance in any business arrangement. Edit, then sign the NDA electronically with ZegalSign. And if you need an offline copy, just click to download the PDF. With Zegal, signing an NDA is quick and hassle-free. If you're looking for a legal document, Zegal has everything you need. Visit our website to get started.